it doesn't take long to make these. Honestly, the longest part is waiting for your material to come in. So let's be real. If you're like me, you do not want to make your lip glosses from scratch, and you don't want to make your keychains from scratch. So you're probably looking for a vendor who will source these products to you. That way you can just quickly assemble them and get them to your customer. If that is you, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to give you all my sources and how I assemble my keychains to get them out there. Get my products on fashiongo.com, which is a wholesale website online. And I get from 2 different vendors. So I get my keychains from Capzone. They were $2.50 a piece, not including shipping. And this is what they look like plain. They're super nice. They come with a jewelry clasp and a little hoop to connect your keys or whatever you want to connect to it. I got 2 colors, so this one and the one I just showed you. So yeah, $2.50 a piece. And then I got my glosses from One Stop, a different vendor on Fashion Go. And the bundles that they sell look like this. They come in a pack like this. This is the So Plumped gloss. Comes with 36 glosses in a pack for $18. So if you do the math, that's 50 cents a piece, which is a good steal. And then aside from the So Plumped gloss, I got another set of 36 glosses, which were the Fruit Burst. And these are very popular. They have a nice scent and a nice flavor. They're not too sweet, not too sticky. They're perfect. So yeah, these were 50 cents a piece as well. Came in a pack of 36 for $18. And then aside from the keychains and the glosses, you're gonna need a... Sorry, my boyfriend is playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare and he's yelling. Okay, you're gonna need a hole puncher. This is what I got off of Amazon. It's 1/16 of an inch. And I also ordered jump rings off of Amazon. And lastly, jewelry pliers. I got these from Michael's, so I've had them. You might have some hanging around your house. But you can get these from Amazon as well if you don't want to go to like your local craft store. So to start making these glosses, you're gonna want to have your actual gloss and your 1/16 of an inch hole puncher, right? Is it 1/16 of an inch? I think it is. I think it's 1/16 of an inch. Okay, I'll link it down below. That way you'll know exactly which one you need. But you're gonna hole punch your glosses, and you're gonna be super duper careful about how you do this. Because if you hole punch way too close to down here where the actual gloss is, the gloss will splurge out and you will have a waste of gloss because you will not be able to fix that. And as well, you don't want to hole punch too close to the top of the gloss because then it won't stay on the actual keychain itself. It'll just rip right off. And you don't want to sell a gloss like that to somebody. Like, no, you want your glosses to be the best, top notch. That's what you're gonna do to every gloss. And once you hole punch every gloss, you're gonna take your jewelry rings, your jump rings. Can't remember. And be careful opening this because I've opened it and it's like busted out. Okay. So let me show you an example of what you're gonna do. So with these jump rings, if you look closely at it, you'll see where it's like broken. Not broken, but like where you're able to open it. I don't know how to explain it. But you see like this like line up here, whatever it is. That's what I'm gonna hold one side with my hands and then the other side with the pliers, and I'm just going to like pull both sides away from each other. That way it opens like this. And then from there, you're just gonna connect. You're gonna put your jump ring inside your lip gloss. From there, it's gonna be hanging on your lip gloss. And then you're gonna connect it to the keychain itself, close the jump ring, and you're gonna have your gloss on. Just a little tip, when you put it on your keychain, I like to keep the actual clasp with this with this ring. So I'll keep them together and I'll start putting the glosses next to it because I don't want to separate these two in between the glosses. That's just how I want my glosses to look. So you can just be very like strategic on how you put your glosses on. I personally put them all in the same order because I think it just looks better uniform. You don't have to. That's just a little tip that I do. And yeah, so I will link everything down below. That way you can get all these materials yourself. And let me know if you have any more questions or you need any more advice on this. I just started making these and selling them. One other tip is I wouldn't go all out on the inventory that you're buying for this. I only bought one bundle of the Fruit Burst and one bundle of the So Plumped, and that gave me 12 sets total, which I think is a good number to start with because if you're a new business like mine, you don't know if these are gonna sell well and you don't wanna just have dead inventory that you can't flip. Oh, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you like took some tips and tricks out of this. Yeah, thank you.